today. I hope you all are doing well by the grace of God Almighty. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make and hibiscus gel. So that's my hibiscus. I've already soaked it with hot water. Then I'm just going to put that aside and allow it to soak for some time. So now my water is on the stove. As you can see, it's already boiling. So I'm just going to add some flaxseed gel inside the boiling water and allow it to boil off for about 10 minutes until the water got thicker. So then you will know that your gel is ready. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming. So now my gel is ready. I'm just going to use that strainer to strain out the gel. Then I will throw away the seed. So after straining out the gel, so just allow it to cool down so that you will not burn yourself. So this is how the gel is looking like now. So I'm just going to remove this and add my hibiscus tea. So this is my hibiscus. As you can see, the tea is already ready. So I'm going to add the water bit by bit because I don't want the gel to be runny, so I still want it to be a little thick but not that thick. So I'll be adding the water bit by bit, then I will mix. If I'm okay with the consistency, I will stop adding water. If I'm not okay, I'm going to add the remaining water to the flaxseed gel. So to my returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming to watch today video. I appreciate you guys so much. So now I'm still going to add the remaining the remaining hibiscus tea inside the flaxseed gel. So I'm just going to mix. I'm going to mix everything together for the gel and the hibiscus tea to combine very well. So I'm going to give it a very good mix until everything combines so well. So guys, this is how my gel is looking like now. So nice, so beautiful. So you can make this at home and just use it for your hair, your twist out, your braid out, any style that you want to do. You can use it for your hair at home as a gel, okay, as a styling gel. So to save some coins, I use this gel to make a beautiful hairstyle. So this is how the gel is looking like. I'm just going to transfer it to my jar, then I will just cover it and keep it aside until I'm ready to use it on my hair. So if you are just seeing my face, seeing my video on YouTube for the first time, you are welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you so much. If you like what you see, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and also share with your friend. And also remember to turn on your post notification so that you will not miss